Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be a first for me. This is gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me kind of video, and I've never done one of these because I don't know if I can talk that much. I don't know. But I was to do a video talking about my hair color. For the longest time I've had my hair dyed. I think it is about maybe 4 weeks, almost 4 weeks now, and I just have not had the time to like sit down and talk about it. So I figured, gotta do my makeup, why not talk about it right now? So with that being said, let's get into this. So I don't know, I wanted to get my hair colored for the longest time, and y'all know that I am not like afraid or shy away from color or whatever, but because I work in a corporate environment, I still have to be mindful that it can't be, you know, that outrageous. So I saw a picture on Instagram, and what is her name now? Oh my gosh, oh, I'm gonna put the picture that was my inspiration, and I was like, yes, it looks good, and I still think that I can work without too many eyes or heads turning. So I said, okay, I think that is what I want to do, what I want to go for. And y'all know, normally, if y'all have been with me for a while, sorry, eyebrows. If y'all have been with me for a while, you know that I don't have much faith or trust in hairdressers or barbers because they kind of forgot my hair in the past. So it's very, what is this bump? Oh my gosh, y'all, my face is breaking out. Like, look, breaking out. I don't know what is going on. I'm very skeptical when it comes to barbers, hairdressers, that kind of thing, because as I said, in the past has not been too good generally. So I said, you know what, I could try to do it myself, but I kind of want it professionally done because I don't want to damage my hair. Bleaching your hair, let me make sure this looks even. Yeah, bleaching your hair, you're gonna damage your hair, but I didn't want to do it to the point where my hair dropped out. So sorry if y'all can hear me digging up in my stuff. So I decided I am gonna get it professionally done. Of course, I did my research, and one of the best places to look is Instagram. I looked all on Instagram for salons that could do color, but not just color, like, because typically, and a lot of them can do relaxed hair, but I got natural hair, so I was like, let me look for some that can color, and color specifically natural hair. That is what I want. So I looked, and I found a few that could do what I wanted to do. Of course, they were the more expensive ones, but I have no issue in paying for something if it is what I want it to be. I have no issue with that. So, what do you want? Oh my goodness, my phone is just going off. Right. And cars are passing, everything. Annoying. Anyway, so as I said, I contacted one. And the one that I contacted is Zena Hair Salon. And what I did was I WhatsApp messaged them and I said, hey, I have natural hair. I want to know if you would be able to bleach it like this picture here, and I attached a picture for them to see. So within a couple of minutes they responded to me and they said, well, send a picture of what your hair looks like now. So I did that. I sent the picture and they said, okay, we're gonna ask one of our stylists what can be done. So they did that. They did that. They got back to me and they said, I am so sorry, I'm just here digging right up, but all of my stuff is everywhere. Right, so they said, yeah, we can do that for you. So they did it. Then said, when you want to get it done. Did I say that I attached? Yeah, I did. I sent the picture of what my hair looked like as it was. Well, not as it was. It was a couple weeks prior because I had my hair in a protective style because I was trying to grow out the back and sides and not cut it. So I sent them the latest picture when I had my hair open, and they say, yeah, this is really, her name is Gigi, by the way, and she's like, yeah, she's really excited to do my hair, style it and everything. No, I like, it was super eager because I sent that message, like, I scheduled the appointment for the end of March, yeah, and I have messaged them like 3 weeks prior because I wanted to make sure that, you know, I got the appointment date that I wanted. So I scheduled it. Of course, the whole time I was looking back at the picture like, oh my god, I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. And the day of the appointment came and I went, and oh my gosh, like, you know, one of those salons where you go into and it is like they offer you tea or coffee or water, and it's just like, it just looks so pristine and nice and everything like that. And I was pleasantly surprised too. I was like maybe a couple minutes late, but I was like pleasantly surprised that it was not one of those salons. I guess, as I say, you get what you pay for. It was not one of those salons where I had to end up waiting on the stylist because they were doing something else. Like when you schedule and put in a slot, a specific time slot, then that time slot is for you. So I sat for like maybe 2 minutes and then she came and grabbed me. She did like a consultation where she looked at the picture again, and then she said, okay, because of your skin tone, I think that these kind of colors will look a little better. So she just modified it a bit, which I did not mind. And then listen, I had y'all in mind, right? I wanted to film, but I don't know, I felt like if it was a little self-conscious, and I don't know why, because I even asked her, I said, I have a YouTube I have a YouTube channel, and I just wanted to know if I could film. And she said, yeah, there's no problem. And then I didn't even film. I filmed like, it was like if I was doing something I wasn't supposed to be doing. I filmed like 3 seconds of videos, like, and I did it when she wasn't even there. I don't know why. I could have just done it, but what she did first is, as I said, she did like a consultation of my hair, and then she put the bleach on. And I don't know if you can see my hair. I think you can. There are some like different hues because some are like slightly blonder and then some are like a copper color, and it just has a lot of dimension and a lot of volume, a lot of dimension. No, not volume. A lot of dimension, a lot of different tones and stuff like that. So, she, as I said, she bleached it. Like she washed it out, and then there were like some parts where, as I said, because she wanted different tones in my hair, she placed foil on some of the sections. And yeah, I have like some snippets. When I say snippets, there are snippets. I think that I went through like 2 rounds. I think she left the bleach on. She used 20 volume developer. I think that's what she did. And she left it on for about 45 minutes, if I am not wrong. And then wash that out. And then with the foils and stuff, I believe it was, I'm not even sure what it was, so I don't even want to tell you it's more bleach or whatever. But like y'all, I had in my mind I was gonna keep track of what was done. It was either 1 or 2 rounds of the foils, or maybe it was foil placed different places. Something's in my eye, something's in my eye. Wasn't in my eye. But yeah, that's what she did. And then of course I was by the sink waiting. She washed it out. Alright, y'all might be a little quiet here because so, right, she washed out the color, and at that point I was like, it doesn't really look bright. But of course I was insane, and while they had lights, like, and as she said, nothing beats like natural sunlight. So when I went outside I was like, ooh, color looks, yeah. So my hair was wet. She just kind of styled it quickly, not how I would style it. So of course when I got home, my mother and my niece were like, oh, I love your hair color, like stuff. I was like, still is okay. It was a kind of quick style, but of course y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. I'm wondering now though if I should maybe explore. I think I want to go brighter, and I think I may do that for crop over, which is, let's say, maybe a month and a half. But crop over I think this wants to start earlier this year. So let's say safely, this is me, a month from now. So I think I may be getting the urge to color it some more. Time for some lipstick. It just brings everything together. Of course I gotta be a little quiet for this one too. So that is it. I hope that I covered everything, and I hope that this wind is not taken away from what I'm trying to say. I hope that I covered everything. If there's anything you want to ask or that I may have forgotten, and you want to follow up, leave it down below in the comments and I will respond. I hope that you enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me, talk about my new hair color that I am loving. If you have in fact enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel as yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red subscribe button right down there and subscribe. So until next time, bye bye.